Okay, hi. So, hi everyone. So, in the previous class, I have also explained a topic from a construction of similar triangles. Same, you may have seen the same question, but I have just changed the value of this one. So, there in the previous class, we haven't, sorry, in the previous video, we haven't taken a here you have to consider a triangle ABC. AB is 4, BC is 5, AC is 6, and you have to consider similar triangle to ABZ. Each side is 3 by 2 of corresponding side. Akkademo 2 by 3 undi. Okay, in this video I have taken 3 by 2. In the previous video it is there 2 by 3. So whenever value is in the proper fraction, you will be going to get a triangle inside that. Okay, I can show you the previous diagram. See in the previous diagram, అంటే దీని ముందు మనం డ్రా చేసినాం కదా, అది మీరు ముందు వీడియోలో చూడండి. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఐ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ the question which I have wrote here. Okay, the following steps will be the same. So same you have to draw in. So it's better you just see the previous video. So if you see the previous video, so I have explained everything detailedly. So the first step is nothing but you have to construct a triangle. So we will be doing what? We will be constructing a triangle ABC. ఇంకా అయిపోయిందా? So this is A, this is B, and this is C. I am just drawing a constructing. So you have to construct a similar triangle. Sorry, not similar triangle. You have to construct a triangle ABC. Next, below the AB, you have to mark a ray. So you have to draw a ray AX. So you have to mark 3 points. So why you have to mark 3 points? Because in 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2. So I will be just marking 3 points A1, A2, A3. So up to here is same. Now the important thing is here you have to join A2 to B. You just remember that the whatever the value or whatever the point which is mentioned in the denominator, you have to join the last value to 2. So A2. So this A2 will be joined to B. Next we have to make a, you have to from the A3. So from this numerator point, from the A3, you have to draw a line segment which is parallel to A to B. Okay, draw from A3, draw a line segment A3B dash which is parallel to A to B, which means extend the AB at B dash. So what you have to do is nothing but you have to extend this AB. So if you can extend this AB, and you have to draw a line parallel to A to B from the A3. So I have drawn a line parallel to A2. So this point is nothing but B dash. So next you have to draw a line from B dash, okay, which is parallel to BC to the extended AC. So you have to draw a line parallel to this one. Okay, this is nothing but C dash. So ఇది ఇప్పుడు పెద్ద ట్రయాంగిల్ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ బిగ్గర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఈజ్ అన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్. సో in this question is asking, now you have to construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC where whose each side is 3 by 2 of corresponding, అంటే దీనికన్నా పెద్దగా వస్తాయి సైడ్లో. So if I see the same thing practically on the paper, okay, so we'll just drawing the same. First you have to construct a triangle ABC. So ABC triangle ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలి నేను చెప్పా. సో ఏం చేయాలి? So if you want to draw the triangle ABC, so I will just zoom out the video so that you can see. So we just draw a line segment of AB which is nothing but 4 centimeter. Then mark this with an A, this is as an B. Next B as in center. What is the BC is 5, no? So B as in center, you mark an arc at a radius 5 centimeter. Next A as in center. Next you have to mark an arc at a radius of 6 centimeter. So now you got a triangle ABC. So next step is, so below the AB you have to draw an arc which is nothing but AX. Next you have to divide this, or you have to mark off 3 points along the AX, because 3 in this we have to draw a corresponding side of 3 by 2. Here 3 is greater than, so we will be marking the 3 points with an equidistance of 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So next step is you have to join, see, denominator value should be joined to this B. So A2 should be joined to B. Next from the A3 you have to draw a line parallel to A to B. So two which will be meeting the extending AB. So first thing you have to extend the AB. So I am here extending the AB. So we have to draw a line parallel now. So you can take the help of a protractor. So what is an angle here? It is making around 70. So I will be just drawing in a line segment from the at an angle of 70, or you can say that I am just drawing a line which is parallel to. So I have drawn a line parallel to A to B from A3. So I am just marking this as an B dash. Now you have to draw a line from the B dash which is parallel to BC of extended BC, you can say. So first you have to extend this one. So I will be just drawing a line parallel. So parallel line draw చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? You have to measure the angle. So here is angle is around 83. So I will just also draw a so I am just drawing a line parallel to BC from B dash, which will be intersecting the extended AC at C dash. This is C dash. Okay, now this triangle, this triangle, this is our required triangle, A, B dash, C dash. This is our required triangle. Okay, so I will explain the everything once again. So you can see here. So what we have done, so first step is you have to draw a triangle. So we have drawn a triangle. Next, along the AX, so you have to draw an acute angle as AX, or you can say ray AX. Okay, so along the AS you have to mark 3 points, A1, A2, A3. Indukante in 3 by 2, 3 is greater than, that is the reason why we are marking a 3 points. Next you have to join A2, denominator value should be joined to the B. So A2 should be joined to B. Next you have to draw a line parallel to A2B from A3. So I have drawn a line segment, this line segment parallel to A2B. Next, from the point B dash we have to draw a line parallel to BC, which is extended to C dash. Okay, so this is our required triangle. So you try to practice the same questions so you may get an exam. Thank you.